Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram keeps stopping problem. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open up the Play Store on your mobile device and search for Instagram. After that, tap on it and make sure Instagram is updated to latest version available. If there is any update button showing, tap on it to update it. Now, close Play Store and press and hold on the Instagram app. A menu will appear. Select this app info icon from the menu, and your app information page will open up. Here, go to Storage tab and clear the app cache from here. Now go back and tap on Permissions, and make sure you have allowed all permissions to the Instagram app. After that, go back and restart your device. Once you do that, you will see your problem is fixed. So that's basically how you can fix Instagram keeps stopping problem. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.